How to fix if NFC is not working on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. You will see first option is connection. Click on connection. After click on connection, click on NFC. Make sure enable NFC. After enable NFC, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down and click on this power icon and click on this restart icon. Again tap on restart. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Click on general management and click on reset and reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.